guys, welcome back. It's Mel here. In today's video, I am going to create this look using all drugstore makeup, and it's the perfect holiday look. You got your classic wing liner with a little bit of sparkle and then a cute little red lippy to pair with it. I think it's so perfect for the holidays. It was super easy to do, and all these products I really enjoy from the drugstore, and you can easily get your hands on it. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below so you can stay up to date when I upload next. I do all things beauty, and yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to try to use mostly drugstore makeup, products that I've loved, and I'm going to do a classic holiday look. I'm going to do wing liner, maybe a little sparkle on the eyelid, and then a classic red lip is the plan, and then I want to try for a really fresh, hydrated looking skin. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glows. I have two shades here, 3 and 4. I'm kind of in between right now, so I'm going to mix both of them to give us a glowy base. And then the foundation I'm going to go in with is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream in the shade Light 210N. Okay, so there's our base. I actually really enjoyed these products together. I just feel like they gave a very, very beautiful, healthy looking skin finish. It's not super full coverage. I have a lot of breakouts right now, but it is like evening out the skin tone, giving a beautiful glow, and it feels really comfortable on the skin. Before I go in with concealer, I want to correct my under eye dark circles. So I've been trying to find the perfect under eye color corrector. So I'm still trying a few products here and there, but I want to show you guys this one from Pixi. It is the Correction Concentrate Brightening Peach. It's in this little pot. Brightening Peach is the shade, sorry. Basically, it's a color corrector. It's like a clay-like consistency, so it's a little thicker. I love wearing this on my no makeup days because it melts into the skin, and I can wear no makeup when I use this because it just makes me look awake, because it helps minimize my dark circles and it blends into the skin so you don't look like you're randomly wearing just makeup under your eyes. The other one that I have is the e.l.f. one in Peach. This is like a darker shade and it is a nice formula. I'm still trying to figure out if I love it. I feel like it's just a little too dark for me, where it does work on the dark circles, but I feel like I just need something brighter, so I'm still on the hunt. But I want to show you guys this little pot one. So I just go in with my ring finger, and then I just stamp it in. I've never tried it under makeup. We'll see how it goes today, but on its own, it is amazing. And you can build it up too. And I like the clay-like consistency. However, if you have really dry under eyes, my trick is to apply my eye cream, and before my eye cream sets in or sinks into the skin, I like to go right away in with this, and it kind of mixes together and is creamier, and it will definitely blend in. Sometimes doing that, it will crease a little throughout the day, but when I go in the bathroom, I see it, I just blend out my finger and it blends back into the skin. It's quite amazing. So you can see the difference between the two eyes. This one has it, this one does not. It just definitely minimizes the darkness. I absolutely love this. I purchased it at Target. Haven't used this concealer in a while. I'm going to try it out again. It's the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I have it in the shade Light 40N. This concealer is super creamy. I really like it. Definitely hydrating. So if you have dry under eyes, this is a good concealer for you. For cream contour, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. This is in the shade Tan Deep. It's definitely too dark for me, but I can make it work as a contour shade. For my cream blush, I'm going in with Profusion Blush Hour, and I'm going in with the shade Rose. You can find this brand at Walmart. Has a little sponge. I really like these. Definitely like using a small, very dense brush to like stamp it out. For my powder, I'm going to go in with my current favorite from the drugstore. I'm almost out of this. I need to get a new one. This is the e.l.f. HD powder in the shade Soft Luminance. It's very sheer and it does have some shimmer in it, but it does not look like glitter on your face. I find this powder doesn't emphasize any texture. I have a lot of texture, but it's great for dry skin and gives a little bit of glow so it doesn't look powdery and cakey. I just love it. It's very smoothing. Look how smoothing that is. For my powder bronzer, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Primer-Infused Bronzer. This is in Forever Sunkissed. And then for blush, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Coloricon blush in Pearlescent Pink. These are both super affordable and I really enjoy both of them. Also, shout out to this Wet n Wild brush I got so long ago. I love it for bronzer, but it was like the Pac-Man version and it has glitter Pac-Man in it. It's so cute and I just love it so much. That blush is really pretty because it has like a gold under sheen in it. Pretty much it for the skin. I am going to move on. I'm going to do my brows real quick off camera just because they take a while, but I just want to tell you the products that I use for them. I talked about this about a bazillion times on my channel. The NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. I absolutely love this. I use the shade Ash Brown. Fill them in, and then when you use a spoolie lightly through them after they dry, it softens the pen stroke so it looks natural and like hairs. I love this, and if you were to use two different colors, you would get a very dynamic brow. I just think it's amazing and it lasts all day. I love it. I love it. And then I just set my brows. This isn't a very good brow setter. If you like your brow set in place, this isn't for you. But this just gives a little bit of structure and just sets the brows there. It won't hold them in place for a certain look. It would just kind of tame them down and everything. But this is the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. And it's clear. It doesn't, get white flakes anywhere. It doesn't get like hard and crusty. And it's very, very clear and invisible. Okay guys, brows are on. They look nice and snatched, I guess. That's what the cool kids say. So next, I'm just going to let you guys watch through the eye part, but I'm going to explain to you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use the bronzer we used for our face, just buff it into the crease just to give a little dimension. Then I'm going to do like a winged liner. The two that I would recommend, either the NYX Epic Ink liner in black. This is waterproof. I like felt tip for when I do wing liners. Or the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof. This is another felt tip waterproof liquid liner. Both are really, really good. They stay and I really like them. Now, I haven't done wing liner in a minute, so bear with me if they're uneven and it's a mess. But then once that dries down, then we're going to go in with a little bit of glitter on the lid. These are my favorite. I actually have quite a few from ColourPop, but I want to recommend 3 for this look. So I've used this many times on my channel. These are their Super Shock shadows in the single pots. They come in all different colors. This is my all-time favorite one. This is Ritz. It's the prettiest topper. It's like cool tone glitter, and it's kind of a dupe for Space Cowboy by Urban Decay. I absolutely love this, either on its own or on top of other eyeshadows. If you want more of a gold glitter, the one I'd recommend is Pledge Class. This is so pretty. It's like your classic gold glitter. If you're more of a silver person, then I'd recommend Frog. This is gonna give you really, really pretty silver chunky glitter, and they stay all day. And what I love about these is you can apply them with your finger, and it's amazing. I'm probably going to use Ritz just because it's my favorite and I love it so much, and it's more of a neutral color. But again, there's gold, silver, and they have so many different colors, and I feel like they come out with new colors all the time. I love these, so good. And then for mascara, I recently purchased this. I've been trying it out. I do like it, but I want to show you guys it. It's the CoverGirl Lash Blast Cleantopia Mascara. Now, I have been really enjoying brown mascaras, so I got this in brown, but it's more like a black brown. But it's really pretty, and I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to apply these Kiss Press-On Falsies. I've talked about these before, and I think I'm just going to add 1 or 2 on the outer edge just to amplify our winged eye look. That is what I'm going to do. So sit back and enjoy the eye look. Alright guys, so there's the eyes done. I think they turned out really pretty. Totally forgot to put in my earrings today, and I also forgot to use face highlighter. Where's my brain been? Who knows? For my highlight, I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Flexitarian. And I'll also add this to the inner corner of my eye as well. Gonna spray the face with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. Get some nice hydration and glow and set everything. Smells like coconut. Wonderful. Oof, I got a little bit close to my face. Alright, last but not least is a lip products. Unfortunately, I forgot to pick up like a really true red lipstick for this look. So we're just gonna use with what I have. Gonna go in with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Good and Plenty. And then the liquid lip, I love these. I know they're Maybelline, but I had them before. I tried to buy from only cruelty-free brands. But this is their Super Stay Vinyl Ink in shade number 10 Lippy. These are so comfortable. They last the longest time for a liquid lip, but they don't feel dry. They're very comfortable. Alright guys, so there is my holiday look. Actually, I actually love this shade of red. It's like a pinky red. It's really, really pretty. I think it would be flattering on a lot of skin tones. This color is so pretty. You honestly don't even need a lip liner with those because they're so easy to be precise on the lip. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look. You know, you got that beautiful, glowy, fresh looking skin. You got the beautiful sparkly eye and the classic red lip. This is such a good look. And just adding one of those lashes on each of the corner just kind of amplified the wing, and it looks so pretty. I love how this turned out. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below so you can stay up to date when I upload next. I generally upload 1 to 2 videos per week, all things beauty, so subscribe to see more. And I will have another holiday look coming up, trying like some new makeup I purchased from Ulta, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, get to spend time with friends and family, relax, enjoy the season. I know it can be pretty crazy, but make sure you take time to relax and enjoy yourself. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!